Cooking with Fee, we're going to be making some potatoes, lamb chops, salad, and stuffing. Who says stuffing just for Thanksgiving? Stay tuned. Guys, part of motherhood. I'm in the middle of cooking my meals, and baby girl. Baby girl wants to sleep, so we're gonna watch the food. I'm almost done. Potatoes are cooking. Lamb's in the oven. About to make the stuffing. Have the salad in a bowl already. I added some like French onion things. It's like fried onion thing. You get at Walmart. I added that. Added a little bit more croutons. The kids probably won't eat this. I'm contemplating adding steamed broccoli because they like that instead. This is a gravy I use. It's really good. I don't know if you guys can see that. And like I said, potatoes are on. It's in there. I'm gonna go get the shrimp soon. I actually put it in butter. Put some seasoning on it. And then put some garlic. I got this garlic already clove or minced. And then I put it in a bowl with some margarine. Ooh, I almost fell over, girl. Put it with some margarine. And then I put it in the fridge for it to come together. And then I'm going to cook it with the margarine on the stove. So that should taste really good. Guys, so I basically finished everything. I thought I was going to have to cook the lamb on the stove. I wanted to, but I don't think I need to. It cooked long enough. It's nice and brown on the top and should be cooked all the way through. We have the garlic shrimp cooked. We have our gravy done. Our stuffing done. And our lamb. We have our lettuce waiting to be tossed and our potatoes. So I'm just going to put everything together and I'll plate it and let you guys see what it looks like.